Alright, hello everybody. Today we're going to learn how to prevent any website to be opened on any computer, Windows computer, on any browser. First of all, we'll use the host file, which is contained in a folder called etc. We're gonna first of all we're gonna open the notepad, but here the search bar down here you will write down note, and here you will use the right click of the mouse, click it with the right button, and you choose run as administrator. Here it's going to ask you if you want to, if you're sure, yes. And here, first of all, here I'm going to copy the path where the host file is. So we can use Control C, or right here when everything is in blue, right click with the mouse, copy. The same here, edit, copy. We can minimize here, and here we're gonna go to File, click Open. Here, let's assume it's somewhere else. Here we're gonna check on the right, and we're gonna delete whatever is there, and right click of the mouse, paste. This is the path where the host file is. So here we're gonna hit enter. You see that there's no file shown here, no items match your search, and that's because here it says text documents. We need to show all files. Once you click on all files, click on the host file and click open. This works only when you're running as an administrator. So if your username is not the administrator one, it won't work. Or if you don't know the administrator password, it won't work. Assuming that you have the right privileges for that, you run the notepad as an administrator, just in case. So here, to block any website, we will type 127.0.0.1, and we press tab, and here we type, for example, facebook.com. Before I save the file, I'm going to show you that we can open Facebook properly. When you go to Google Chrome, you type facebook.com, it opens, right? Perfect. Now we're gonna go to the host file, and I did this already. This means this is a command. We will go to File and Save. Now we saved it. We can minimize it, and here we just hit enter. It still opens, so we close the browser first and then we open it again. And now we type facebook.com and it doesn't work. You see? And this applies for all browsers on this computer. Let's go to, let's say this one, Brave, facebook.com, doesn't work. Alright? So very easy steps. Just have to be careful that you open the notepad as an administrator, and that's it. Now let's check my website, orvcomputers.com. It opens. Now here I'm going to block orvcomputers.com 127.0.0.1 www.orvcomputers.com. Now I'm going to save it. We can minimize here, and if I don't close the browser, most of the time it's going to keep working. So I close the browser and then I open it again. In this case, the Brave browser, it saves the previous information, so it doesn't really load the website from the server. So here I'm going to type any website, and then I will type ORV Computers, and it doesn't work. I can do that for Google Chrome, orvcomputers.com. Doesn't work. Now I'm going to try Firefox, which is here. Firefox, ORV Computers. Doesn't work. Facebook.com. Doesn't work. Firefox takes a lot of time looking. So now let's do the same for Instagram.com. Always here 127.0.0.1 Instagram.com. First of all, I'm going to show you that Instagram is working. Let's do here Instagram.com. It is working. I'm going to close the browser, and now I'm going to save this. Remember, you have to save it. If you don't save it, the changes won't apply. So save here, minimize. Let's open Microsoft Edge, and here we will type Instagram.com. Doesn't work. Very simple steps. It blocks this the website you choose, or all the websites you choose. They are blocked on this computer. All right. Very simple steps. I'm going to write down the description will have all the steps you need, all the path that you need for the note to open on the notepad to get to the host file. And that's very simple. Let's say you have a kid who is addicted to Facebook, Instagram, or any website. You can block the website and it won't work. And remember, to do this, you need your administrator password, or your username has to be a user with administrator privileges. Well, that's all for tonight. If you have any questions, please, you can contact me on the contacts underneath the comments. And I'm going to delete here because I want these websites to work. Once you delete them, you save, everything works fine. My website is here, orvcomputers.com. Any help, you can contact us. We are in New Jersey, and in the near future we can receive computers of users that are not in New Jersey. We have an on-site service, and in the near future we'll have our physical location to receive computers from customers out of state. All right, that's all for today. You have a good night.